Cash, check, and credit card are all payment methods.
One way to buy tuna fish is in a can. Another way is to buy it fresh.
How many flavors of ice cream are on the menu? How many flavors of ice cream are on the menu? What other flavors do they have? What other flavors do they have?
Why is there a dirty container on the table?
You look excited.
A pineapple is a sweet fruit. It has green leaves and yellow juice. It's not an apple. Coconuts grow on trees. A coconut is hard and brown on the outside, but soft and white inside.
Let's order fruit for dessert. To cook a dish, you need to mix the ingredients together.
Much. Many.
Why do we have to clean the house today?
When there are blankets, dirty clothes, and old plates on the floor, your room is messy.
Laundry.
Garbage is something you throw out because it is not useful.
Shelf.
The kitchen looks a little messy.
When you do housework, you wash dishes, cook for the family, and clean the toilet. When I opened the curtains, dust went everywhere. When I opened the curtains, dust went everywhere. When I opened the curtains, dust went everywhere. Oh, so you think it looks messy? Oh, so you think it looks messy? Oh, so you think it looks messy. And who will take out the garbage? And who will take out the garbage? And who will take out the garbage?
Can you take out the garbage, please? It smells terrible.